Working with music notation and got a 41S file? This is a music score from Sibelius Notation Software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Sibelius score files. For those who want the most versatile tool, it's coming, and it features my favorite single 4.1S file inspection utility that is compatible with hundreds of formats. 4.1S. Files are music score files, created by Sibelius. 4. A professional music notation software developed by Sibelius Software, now part of Avid Technology. They contain complete music compositions with notation, instrumentation, parts, dynamics, articulations, and layout settings used by composers, arrangers, and music educators. 4.1S. Files use Sibelius's proprietary format, storing comprehensive music notation data, including notes, rhythms, time signatures, key signatures, dynamics, and performance markings. The format preserves complete score formatting, page layout, and Sibelius-specific features designed for professional music notation and publishing workflows. When viewing the file metadata, the 4.1S shows a direct link to Sibelius from Avid Technology. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. We must confirm application compatibility. Right-click your 4.1S file and choose Open With. Test Sibelius if installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That often reveals the problem. If you still can't open the 4.1S file, it's okay. We know the 4.1S format is specialized. The error means one key detail is missing. Let's run through our quick verification checklist to find it. First, opening in Sibelius. Launch Sibelius and use File then Open to load the 41S file. Modern Sibelius versions include backward compatibility for opening older score files. The software displays the complete score with all notation and formatting intact, enabling continued composition, editing, and printing of the music score. Next, converting to MusicXML. Within Sibelius, export scores to MusicXML format for use in other music notation software like Finale MuseScore or Dorico. MusicXML preserves notation content while providing cross-application compatibility. This enables collaboration with users who don't have Sibelius and migration to alternative notation platforms. Finally, generating audio and PDF. Export Sibelius scores to PDF for printing and sharing or to audio formats like WAV or MP3 for playback. PDF preserves notation appearance while audio export creates listenable performances of the score. These standard formats enable broad sharing of music compositions beyond Sibelius users. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.